Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel and welcome to my kitchen. We're doing something really fun today, as always, but we're gearing towards the holidays, so we're doing a three-part series today. And our first part is, this is all holiday, and our first part is a turkey breast. And I've washed this, rinsed it, and patted it dry like we all know we're supposed to do with turkey. And then what I'm going to do is drizzle this wonderful roasted garlic olive oil on it. You want this all covered with this. Oh my, can I smell that garlic? Yeah, you got to massage all this oil in because this will help brown it, because our next step is we are going to, first I'm going to put a little bit of sage and rosemary, ground rosemary, probably about a teaspoon of each, and coat that real well. And then we're going to take this out on our Traeger BBQ and smoke this in apple wood for 2 hours. And then when we're done with that, we're going to put this in a 12-inch Dutch oven and bake it, put the lid on it, of course, and bake it at about an hour. Check it with our instant read ThermoWorks thermometer and check it to see what the temperature is, and you want it at 165 to be done. Okay, that's it for this step. And the next thing, though, that I cannot forget to tell you, after we get our turkey almost done, I've made a wonderful glaze that I've had simmering on the stove here this morning to reduce it. And in that glaze is a half a cup of bourbon whiskey, a half a cup of honey, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a teaspoon of pepper. And you put that on the stove and you let it simmer. And then we're going to glaze our turkey with that. Oh my goodness, does that sound wonderful? Okay, great. We will see you in a little bit. Well, our wonderful turkey breast got smoked, as you can see. Now we're going to put it into our Dutch oven, 350 for about an hour. We'll check the temperature, and yum, yum. Another wonderful side dish we're doing tonight with our holiday dinner is Brussels sprouts. I went ahead and pre-cooked them, so they were about halfway done. Put a couple tablespoons of butter in my cast iron frying pan, sauteed them and glazed them, and then I drizzled mango balsamic vinegar. Now, is that awesome? And it is going to be great. Thank you. Well, our wonderful meal got done, and here's my wonderful Santa's helper. As you can see, we've had a wonderful fun day today. We did a lot of cooking. We spent most of the day cooking, and boy, was it worth it. As you can see, our bread turned out beautiful. There's our dessert. Our turkey is awesome. If only you could smell it and taste it. Homemade cranberry sauce, and of course our wonderful little glazed Brussels sprouts. We hope you've enjoyed this with us today. We certainly are having fun. And of course, we need a lot of friends and family to be showing up to help us with this. Just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. We'll be doing other fun things during the holidays, so please remember every Tuesday we have a new one coming out. And here's to all of our viewers, family and friends. We're so thankful that you support us and enjoy our videos with us until we meet again. And just remember, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals quality times. Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.